is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I have part 2 of my Christmas trees DIY series. I had this bright idea, light bulbs flashing in my head, to create Christmas trees inspired by candy. And who doesn't love candy? I'm so happy with the way these turned out. They are so sweet, they make my heart smile, and I hope that you like them too. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my upcoming holiday fun or my Christmas tree series. If you missed part 1, Inspired by Winter, it's linked in the description below, along with part 3 that will complete my Candyland series. Now let's get to my crafting table. Come on, let's go. For the Candyland Christmas trees, you're going to need 1 beaded garland from Hobby Lobby, 1.5 of the gumdrop garland from Hobby Lobby, 1 foam ball garland from Hobby Lobby, some colorful pom-poms, these are from the Dollar Tree, and some styrofoam cones, these are from Hobby Lobby. everybody. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow and for YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Don't forget, click on the link below for part 3 and the reveal of my Candyland Christmas tree series. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!